Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hello, my dear pupils, my dear students. Like, share, and subscribe in order to spread the talk that we are doing mutually. So it is Laughaayaam. Actually, laughing is a natural habit of the person. It is a gift of God to the human beings to laugh at happiness as an expression of happiness. Therefore, when person is very happy, he or she laughs, and the person when anyone is not happy, he is or she is in pain, in trouble, then they cry also, they weep also. So weeping is the expression of unhappiness, and laughing is the expression of happiness. Okay? And many people laugh in many ways, means there is no similarity in all the people regarding laughter or laughing, because some people laugh like this, and some people laugh 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 and some people not laugh, they just chuckle, they laugh in chuckling way, just as this. So naturally there are how many how many vowels, how many tone to laugh. A, according to Sanskrit vowel, A, E, U, A, O, and There are 5 varieties of laughter. There are 5 varieties of laugh, and each and every variety or the tone of laugh has its different characteristic or different therapeutic activity or therapeutic benefit or therapeutic approach behind each and every tone and vowel. All the people laugh not in the same manner. So Laughaayaam is same, but tone is different and the benefits are also different. We have 7 chakras in our body. Sahasrara chakra, Agnya chakra, Ajna chakra also called. It is a Sanskrit and it is actually correct pronunciation, not Agnya. Ajna, because Ja and Ya, J and Ya, it is not in English but in Sanskrit Ya, so that it becomes Jya, so not Gyan, Jyan. So it is Ajna chakra, then Vishuddhi chakra, then Anahat chakra, and then Manipura chakra, then Swadhisthana chakra and Mooladhara chakra. So when we laugh from A to and energy is generated there. So that energy generates and transforms into particular energy, and that particular energy concentrates in a particular chakra, and that compels to chakra to be activated in the course of time. Clear? So in our 50 hours laughter meditation retreat, I give all the philosophy and everything else, theoretical and practical application, and everything is taught there in that course. So here, physiological, when anybody laughs, you have found it in your practical life, the people who are laugher, who laugh sometimes very wildly, all the laughers are very healthy persons. And the person who never laughs is almost sick and ill and dull all the time. So, Laughaayaam heals our body in every way, because activation, particularly while Laughaayaam takes place in our navel point, it is called Manipura chakra in yogic term, and medically there is one kidney here, and very close to kidneys there are one gland, adrenal gland, and adrenal gland is very important to boost energy in the body, and that corrects the health all the time. So that is activated and heals in every way. In the same way, our pancreas is also becomes very active while laughter, because the thirst of energy flows each and every nerve. So that flow becomes a therapy. How? That I am talking here. Our liver also gets energy activated and becomes healthy. Islet of Langerhans, which is responsible to secrete the insulin in the body in order to digest the sugar and control the sugar level and send the sugar as energy form to each and every cell, that also becomes active, and no scope of diabetes if you practice Laughaayaam. Likewise, your heart sends the blood all the time to all the internal organs from bottom to top 24 hours while sleeping and awakening. But sometimes heart lacks blood supply, because the supply is going from heart to everywhere. But while laughter, blood comes from here and there to heart also in a proficient pressure, and that pressure heals the heart also, energizes heart also. So there is no scope of heart problem and no scope of hypertension, no scope of any cardiac attack or any cardiac disease. Likewise, cancer is also deleted from the body, because while laughter, a lot of energy flows in each and every cell and nerve of the body, and the dead cell, which is responsible to multiply the cells, and that develops as a tumor later, and that tumor becomes cancer, and sometimes that's diagnosed in the last stage, and then there is no scope of protecting the person. So because of 10 minutes or 15 minutes Laughaayaam, if you can protect from all the major disease of today, so why not to practice Laughaayaam? So these are physiological benefits of Laughaayaam. In the same way, what is in mental level? The, the, the huge quantity of blood goes to our brain part also, and each and every neuron are charged because of flow of the energy, because of the flow of blood, and that the flow of blood is generated by laughter because of jerk and jolts over navel point or belly. This belly or this navel point is very, very important point within the body. So because of laughter you feel happiness, you feel energized, and you feel full of enthusiasm. So automatically the positive approach is developed in your personality, because you are calm and cool because of laughter, because of proficient energy flow in your body and mind in a very balanced way. So there is no chance of depression, hypertension, frustration, boredom, irritation, and any type of negative attitude which is not considered good. So all the psychological and mental problems are also removed because of Laughaayaam. In the same way, the third level of problems, that is spiritual. Because of Laughaayaam, every day you connect yourself, you meditate yourself, and 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 at last, after practicing, at last you become in such mood that you don't like to laugh, because the purpose of Laughaayaam is almost finished, and you have attained the serenity of mind, and that serenity leads tranquility of the mind, and that tranquility, that peace of mind is the ground for deletion of all the filth and garbage in our chitta, and prepares us to in a very in a very higher level of spirituality, that makes all the grounds for us to be realized and to be enlightened. So this is the trio purpose of Laughaayaam. Physical illness, never. Mental illness, never. And spiritual illness, never. What is spiritual illness? That is the attachment. Too much attachment to material objects and everything else that covers our intellect, and intellect is covered with the attachment because of over attachment, and never tries to search some higher purpose of the existence. So that also is minimized gradually, and later no thought waves in the mind stuff, no waves of thought in our mind stuff, and that state of our mind stuff, our psyche, makes the practitioner enlightened and having supernatural powers and a great measure of intuition. Everything else that is mentioned by Maharshi Patanjali is in his Yoga Sutram, in Samadhipada, and also in Vibhuti Pada. So thank you for today. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.